Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Toyota Tacoma maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the back, up, down, left, right, and enter on the middle, in the middle. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. First of all, go ahead and click back. And you're going to use left and right to go find your page. Go ahead and click right. And this is where you gonna land on, and go ahead and click down. Every time you see this, go ahead and click back and go down to setting, enter on setting, scroll all the way down till you get to maintenance reset, enter on that, scroll up to yes, enter on it. Maintenance has been complete. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.